This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. Welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the Western Wideout wing cutting edge. For your safety, be sure to turn off control before performing any repair steps in this video. First, park the vehicle on a smooth, level, hard surface. Place the jack stands under the center blade. Lower the blade on the jack stand. Remove the side box stop bolt. Extend the wing far enough out to access the innermost cutting edge bolt. Remove and discard the 3 1/2-inch cutting edge carriage bolts and lock nuts that secure the cutting edge to the blade. Remove the side wing cutting edge. Install the new cutting edge with the new cutting edge fasteners provided in the kit. Retract the wing and reinstall the side box stop bolt. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help in replacing the Western Wideout wing cutting edge.